MV-Welding is an innovative company in Finland driven by the pursuit of excellence in demanding industrial welding work. The dedicated team of skilled welders and installers take pride in delivering top-quality services while reducing workload and maximizing efficiency. Thanks to the partnership between Cavitar and MV-Welding and their cutting-edge welding manipulator, the remote welding game has reached new heights, literally. Welders can now experience welding like never before, with their health being the #1 priority. No longer confined to uncomfortable positions and in close proximity to toxic fumes while being exposed to UV and IR radiation, welders can now monitor and control the welding process with precision, all while maintaining a safe distance in a relaxed, seated position for maximum comfort and the least amount of strain on the spine and the eyes. Cavitar's arcless vision allows for a more accurate assessment of the welding process, surpassing the limitation of welding masks and allowing live detecting of welding defects during the construction phase, which leads to slashing inspection costs while minimizing unnecessary repairs. Additionally, the compact form factor enables reaching places that were previously inaccessible to humans. This opens up endless possibilities for tracking complex projects with ease. While the immediate advantages of our collaboration is increased productivity, improved work economics, and significant reduction in welding defects, the future holds even more promise with the unlocked potentials such as automatic groove tracking and filling control based on the camera's advanced imaging capabilities. Join us on this remarkable journey as we embrace the power of Cavitar's welding camera and best welder from MV-Welding. Together, we can shape the future of welding technology with safer and more sustainable welds, while promoting a healthy work environment for the future welders of our beautiful planet. For more information, please visit our website, cavitar.com. Designed, engineered, and manufactured in Finland.